Hello and good day. Welcome to Plastic Surgeon, the business world of plastics. Today, I am going to give the answer to the question raised in my second video. Question was, why plastic? Confused, right? To find out the why, we need to first understand the term plastic. So, let me first explain what is plastic. Plastic is a synthetic or semi-synthetic material made from polymerization of a variety of ingredients. You can see in the illustration how these different chemicals are combining with each other and the chain continues to grow, hence forming plastic. It is produced as a byproduct in oil and gas industry. However, in recent technological advancements, few plastics can also be produced from renewable materials like cotton derivatives and corn. For your information, the word plastic is derived from a Greek word plastikos, which means a material having capability to be molded easily. Each and every one of us encounters hundreds of plastic products in our daily routine life. Some way or the other, we are dependent upon plastics. That's why Plastic Surgeon is giving emphasis on the importance of plastic-related businesses. Materials that were being used by our forefathers in their daily lives have been replaced by plastic because of its 10 matchless properties listed below. It is light in weight. It is really strong and durable. Majority of chemicals have no reaction with it because of its inertness. No rust can damage it since it's corrosion-free. It is also available in food grades. Its lifespan is really longer. It has fine aesthetics. It offers flexibility in designing. It's cheaper as compared to other materials like metals. It is recyclable. Point to be noted here is that all the plastic produced across the globe is not fully utilized or reused. This is resulting in landfills and garbage patches, causing pollution across the globe. This, in turn, results in contamination of our ecosystem. I will definitely make a separate video on this topic as well, but for now, it was a bit deviating, so I simply focused on the topic. Hopefully, I have answered the why. Thanks for watching. Please press thumbs up to give a like. Press the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Also press the bell icon to get regular notifications.